All right, boys and girls, we've got one more surprise up our sleeves for the 992 GTS. We've got a rear Tech Art spoiler lip that we had custom painted with Python green striping. We think it's gonna look awesome. So come on with us. All right, we found the center line, and we found the center line on our lip here. We're gonna remove the backing tape for this VHB. All right, now take a look at this. Look at that, beautiful carbon fiber. Wanted to do a little bit of green on here, give it a little bit of custom look to it. What do you guys think? Oh wow, look at that. That is perfect, super subtle. Gives it a little bit of flash of color in the back there. A little bit of blackness. Gives it a little bit of lip. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? What do you think? Let's get a little closer here. You can see what's going on back here. A little Python green stripe. Come around to the back. Oh, I'm liking it. Super quick, super easy, super custom looking. Look at that, just a little bit of lip. Love it.